How to start an online business for beginners. There are tens of thousands of examples of internet enterprises that began with zero funding, but are now profitable to the number of tens of thousands of dollars each month. Many of them are run entirely without a physical location and instead by remote staff working from their homes. To start an internet company, you don't need to have previous experience in how to operate a business. The challenges of maintaining an internet shop are distinct from those of a traditional store. If you want to establish a company but don't have any money, how can you do it online? Is there any way this could work? Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how to start an online business. Number 1, the type of online business. The first step in launching a successful internet business is settling on a niche. There are a variety of possibilities from which to pick, each with its own set of advantages and disadvantages for generating revenue. Selling your items either via your own hosted website or through a shop on a third-party platform like eBay, Amazon, Etsy, Udemy, Flippa, etc. is one of the most common ways to generate revenue for an online company. Gaining financial support through the sale of advertising space on your website to other parties. The manufacturer or B2B service provider ships the goods to the customer directly from their warehouse. Every time one of your products sells, you'll get a commission. Whether the items are digital or tangible, you may earn a commission by referring customers to the seller's website. Earnings from giving consultancy services to clients through the internet by email, Skype, or any other means of communication, and being compensated for doing so. Customers pay you regularly in exchange for your services, such as hosting, online tools, etc. Number 2, find your niche. Identifying your specialty is the most challenging part of the process because of all the unknowns that come with it. When starting a company, no one can tell you definitively whether or not your idea will be successful. Find out what drives you, because when you're enthusiastic about anything, whether it's a subject, an activity, a hobby, or a product, you're more likely to produce high-quality work. Because there are so many so-called experts online, your credibility as a real expert on a certain subject will increase. If you want to make money, you need to find something that you're excellent at and make it into a product that others are ready to pay for. Is there a need in the market that you think you might satisfy with a new product? Number 3, evaluate your idea. To evaluate a concept is to determine whether or not it has the potential to become a profitable internet venture. Though you may not be familiar with the phrase keyword research just yet, this is a crucial step in determining whether or not there is a search demand for your concept. With the help of keyword research, you may learn how often people use Google and other search engines to look for a certain term. If you're not a medical professional, your website and/or items will not appear in Google search results for terms relating to health and wellness. Organic traffic is the most valuable kind of website visitor, and without it, your prospects of succeeding online are little to none. Try searching for goods with a variety of keywords. Then peruse Amazon's top sellers to see what's doing well in each area. You may research what kind of things are selling well on the internet by visiting one of the many famous online marketplaces. In terms of purchasing and selling internet enterprises. If you're considering making an online course, you might check out Udemy to get a feel for the market. Number 4, analyze your potential competitors. The next stage after doing an idea evaluation utilizing the aforementioned methods is to study the market to see who would provide the most serious challenge. If there are already 1 or 2 businesses on the market providing items or services that are comparable to what you want to provide, then they might be considered competitors. Let's imagine you came up with the bright idea of opening up an internet shop to sell one-of-a-kind parrot cages. You have concluded that there is a market for your concept and that there is potential to improve upon it by doing market research. Gathering information about possible rivals is the next stage. There are a variety of methods for calculating a website's traffic, sales volume, and advertising budget in the virtual world. Number 5. Identify your target audience. The last thing to do before launching an internet store is to figure out who your customers will be. This is a crucial stage since it will define how you proceed. Since you don't yet have any data of your own, getting direct answers may be difficult at this level. However, you should do this exercise the day before and fine-tune it as you go. In the future, when you've established your website and begun to get traffic, you'll have a better grasp of the answers to these questions. You may conduct polls of your customers and community members, or conduct in-depth analysis of your social media following to find out what they want. Number 6, brand names. The next step is the most fun, coming up with a name for your brand and acquiring your domain name. Discover an interesting and a memorable slogan. To find out whether a domain is accessible, you may use various tools, but before you go on, you need also check to make sure that no other businesses are utilizing the same brand name. Do a Google search on your future company name and see what comes up. It's best to come up with a different brand name if there are already competitors using the same one. You don't want to register a domain name just to find out you need to switch to a new name for your Facebook or Instagram profile since the first choice you had was already in use. Number 7, website for your business. Creating a website for your company is the next logical step. You may sell your items through one of two options for an online store if you want to sell actual goods. Either you host your website and use WordPress and WooCommerce to set up the business, or you utilize a website builder like Shopify or BigCommerce. While option 2 is quicker, a self-hosted WordPress WooCommerce site is preferable because of the increased freedom and control it affords your growing company. WordPress is the ideal option for various sorts of companies, including specialty blogs, websites providing services, or digital items like this one, and Amazon affiliate websites. WordPress is flexible and simple to use, and there are a ton of pre-made themes available for purchase for around $100 that can help you put up a polished website in a blink. Number 8, get professional help. A successful internet company cannot be grown by one person alone. Even if you manage to become an expert in entrepreneurship and digital marketing, when your business expands, you will require the assistance of dedicated staff. You have a variety of choices available to you, and they differ according to the size of your business and your financial resources. You may discover freelancers to assist you with certain tasks on websites such as Upwork and Pay Per Hour. Freelancers are available for any form of online work. You may employ seasoned advisors to assist you in developing a plan so that every action you engage in contributes to the achievement of your overall objective. After that, you have the option of carrying out the strategy on your own, or of recruiting independent contractors to assist you. Employ a digital marketing firm. A digital marketing agency that provides comprehensive service may provide you with all of the services you need. From the preparation of the strategic move through its actual execution, you don't need to be concerned about employing multiple individuals and managing different procedures. It is possible for the cost of outsourcing to a freelancer or agency to range anywhere from a few dollars per hour to hundreds of dollars per hour. However, it is more vital to identify the proper individuals who can produce measurable results as opposed to making promises. Well, that's all for today's video. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any updates. I'll catch you in the next video.